Hey, what is up with you guys? Today, again, I will be showing you how to find stocks before they skyrocket, okay? How to find stocks before anyone else or before they explode. Stocks that you can day trade, swing trade, even hold a position in them. Overall, let's just get straight into it. This video will not be that long at all. I will be just showing you the filters. Then I am just gonna be kind of explaining you what every single filter means. So let's just get straight into it. If you go to the screener, and first of all, what I like to do is go on all. So yeah. So the first thing that right now that I'm gonna be feeling that I want you guys to take a look at will be the average volume. So what the hell does the average volume mean? If you go on favors.com and then you go on screener, you'll basically find like if you go through this text right here, if you just go over the mouse, you don't need to click over anything, you will find that it kind of shows you what it is. The average volume will, like, it says that the average number of shares traded in a security per day. So that's the average volume. So basically, how many shares are traded not that day, but overall the average days. Okay, how the average volume is going on in the average day. So we want the stocks to be like quite volatile, quite liquid, and that's like why I like to go with over 200k. Okay, with over 200k, we are left with 4,224 stocks. Then what I like to do is go to like the relative volume. With the relative volume, or like when sometimes you can kind of find it as R vol, basically means like what's the volume that day, okay? Or a ratio between the current volume and 3 month average in like intraday adjusted. So basically, in the simple words, what do we want to do is just put it on 1.5, okay, over 1.5. And why is that? Because we want the stocks to be quite like volatile that day, or 1.5 times the basically the average days that we have. So yeah, that's about it. How we want to have the like liquid stocks or volatile. And the next thing that I really want to do is look at the. So we're gonna be adjusting to stock and kind of finding a stock that is in a uptrend. We're going to be taking a look with that with a 200-day simple moving average. Then we kind of put it at the price above the estimate 200. Then we go with the 50 moving average. Again, the price to be above the estimate 1250. And on the last to the 20-day simple moving average, in the daily average of the last like 20 days, 50 days for 200 days. And with that, again, the price to be above the estimate 20. We are left with 117 stocks. I will go with stocks only two. I don't think that it will. Yeah, it will change the not dramatically, but yeah, like that's what I like to do. I just go in the industry and just change it on stocks only. Then, what are we going to be doing? And like what I really want to look at is the sales growth of quarter over quarter. I want it to be over 15%. Okay, why is that? Because it's actually like not a research or a opinion about that. It's basically that the company has grown in the following 3 months. You feel me? So yeah, over 15%, and then I will be looking at the charts. And I mean, you could basically go ahead and screenshot this right now. This is what I like to use. Also, I go on the RSI sometimes and just go overbought. Yeah, I'll just see, like, take a look at this from 60, 70, 80, and 90, but it is always up to you. And you could be looking for stocks before they break out. In this case, on the first page, we do not see anything. This could be a great, okay, GOGL, but yeah, that's about it. It is always up to you how you want to find them. And so basically, go ahead, like, screenshot this, and that's about it for today. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and